Hey guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Sorry I'm whispering. Everybody, well, my siblings are still asleep and my brother, he is asleep and he gets off of work at like 3 in the morning, so I'm trying not to be loud, especially since his room is upstairs and he doesn't have a door to his room. So yeah, today I went ahead and woke up at like 6:30, ate breakfast. I just stretched and put up the dishes for my mom and all that. And I'm gonna take you guys with me outside in the backyard because I want to jump rope for a little bit, just because I haven't jump rope in a good minute. And I think I'm gonna do like this 20-minute get rid of cellulite workout by Get Fit by Roberta. I used to always do her workouts, and this is basically it right here. It's on Pinterest. It kind of just sums up, I guess, the video. I already fed Hachi. He is slumped. Look at him. It feels so beautiful out here, you guys. Hey Hachi. He's asleep. I'm trying to figure out where I want to work out. Maybe right here or over here. I think I'm gonna do over here. I need to try to hurry up because my mom, she recently... Okay, let me work out first and then I'll tell you guys what's going on.
If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer.
It's good to be consistent with working out every week. Unlike me, I take a week break and then I try jumping back into it, and it's like, it feels like starting over, and what I should be doing is working out 3 days a week at least.
Just so I could understand what you're looking for. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. What it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you.
I know that was probably like pitiful to some of you guys. Girl, get it together, but I'm trying.
I'm trying. I'm fucking trying. I've only been doing this for 2 fucking days. Like shit. Give me a fucking break.
I am gonna continue and go on to the next workout, which is the cellulite workout. I think the reason I have cellulite and stretch marks, which makes sense to me, but if you have the same issue, then you know. So basically, it's no secret that I take Adderall, and if you didn't know, now you know. I take Adderall, anxiety medication, and when I stopped taking my Adderall basically like decreases your appetite, and anytime I would stop taking it, like when I was like 15, around 15 or whatever, I was just like so hard-headed because I just didn't like taking my medicine, but I deep down really need it. But I will like binge eat like crazy when I wasn't on it, like let's say in the summer, which that's what I mostly did in the summer. I would be off of it and I just binge eat like crazy. Just binge eat. When I'm bored, I get up and I go eat. So I feel like a lot of my stretch marks and cellulite have to do with that. I think I've honestly gotten better about it. Like I take my Adderall every day and I have like a set schedule and I'm not like eating like crazy anymore. But I really did struggle with that like for the longest, and it's so annoying too because I just eat, like I have nothing to do, so I'll just eat, and it was terrible. I was like around 15 at the time, I think, and I think that summer is when I realized like, damn girl, you're getting kind of bigger, you're getting kind of chunkier. Not really chunky, but just bigger to me. Like my arms were a little bit more bigger, and it just didn't feel like healthy to me, to be honest. And by the way, that's not the only reason I take my Adderall. I take it because I need it. If I don't have it, it's just a list of crazy things that I just feel like, if you guys want me to make a video about it, I can. But yeah, I'm not trying to just sit here, because I could sit here and ramble about like my experience and how I got like diagnosed with it when I was little and stuff like that. But that's for another video and another time. I'm gonna go ahead and do this cellulite workout. I was just kind of giving you guys like a backstory of how I think like my stretch marks. Why is it that my stretch marks and cellulite happen? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do 30 jumping jacks.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. My guitar, stomp your heels into my toes, steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for. So I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, to keep you away. Just
perfect timing because my mom just got here and I have to take her to the tire shop because she ran over a pothole and ruined her rims and new tires. My mom got her car nice and shine. I don't know which rim it is, but guys, I finally cleaned my car. Well, it's like filled with pollen again, so it looks like I didn't clean it, but yesterday I for real scrubbed like the outside and everything. The inside is a whole nother story, and I still have to clean the rims of my car, but yeah. You can tell I haven't worked out since like the last time I guess I made a workout video. Don't do what I do. I'm waiting for my mom because I have to follow her to the tire shop, so. Alright, so they're checking out her tire and her rims. I didn't even take a pretty good look at it, to be honest with you. But, well, my mom's probably gonna get mad because I'm sitting in the passenger seat now and then she's gonna drive back home. But I mean, it's like really close to our house, and then my mom has to go to work and she has to take my car because her car is gonna be left here at the shop for them to fix her rims and stuff. And I already know she's gonna come in here and be like,
oh my god, the inside of your car is so dirty.
are you not embarrassed? I'm working on it, Mom. Damn. And it's pretty dusty in here too, to be honest with you. I remember when I first got this car, I would like always clean it every week, and like I just love Cheryl so much, and like I mean I still love her. It's just the real reason I don't maintain it as I used to is because I used to have like a membership for the car wash place, and there I would just vacuum it, clean the inside and do all that, and now I don't have a membership to a car wash place. So yeah, your girl's been slacking and she's been trying to save money, so she's been washing her car at the house and been using the hose at the house. And here comes my mom with her shades on. Let's see what she has to say.
Do you have enough gas for me to drop you off and then go get gas, or do I need to get gas first?
Well, you can look at it.
Let me see. Oh, girl, you have like almost like a half a tank.
Well, can you fill it up when you get loud? Just a little bit.
I mean, I'll put some gas in it. Is this cranked up?
Yeah, my car's cranked up.
I don't even notice it.
Take off your glasses.
Why? Take off my glasses? What happened?
I'm ready.
You ready for what?
The lecture?
The lecture about what?
Aren't you gonna shame me about the inside of my car?
No. It's not bad. You need a vacuum, but that's about it.
You want me to connect your phone?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to cut the AC on, honey.
Mom, no.
No, if I'm putting gas in this car, I'm putting the AC on.
Oh my god.
Like that. That's why you got all the damn pollen in here. Damn windows open.
Gotta save money.
A few cents.
Alright, well, my mom dropped me off, and let's see if the kids are finally up before I can make them breakfast. Niño, ¿y tú qué? ¿Y tú qué, papá? Come on, wake up, wake. Oh God, you about to fall off your bed, girl. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.